Hello teacher, how are you? I think that you're very well. So I'm going to read the text of chapter 4. Text: English in Trade, Science and Scholarships. English has been expanding largely because of the emergence of the US and the British Commonwealth as the dominant players in world trade. In this game, it is the buyer language, not the sellers, that comes out on top, especially when the buyer is truly kind. The economic and military power of the US and its role in saving Europe from two world wars have promoted English to the status of the foremost diplomatic language, thus demoting French. Its leadership, along with the United Kingdom in science and technology, has also made English the dominant world lingua franca of scholarship. Even the French and the German, economically powerful and influential as they are in science and technology, have had to bow to English. More and more of their scholars publish in English. To be sure, there are languages such as Hindi and Mandarin, and in fact even Spanish, which have more mother tongue speakers than English. But from the point of view of what language one needs to be competitive in the scholar and business world today, English dominates. In fact, the rise of China as a leading world economic power is helping the spread of English more than it does Mandarin. Since the 1950 years, even more countries have adopted English as their international language of trade and scholarship. The Indian-born linguist Brad Kachru at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign referred to them as the expanding cycle. This is in opposition of the inner cycle and the outer cycle. The inner cycle all countries where English is the mother tongue of the majority population. By contrast, the outer cycle consists of Britain former colonies in which English is an official language but is not spoken as a mother tongue by the overwhelming majority of its users. Salikokos is Mark Mowini. Now I'm going to answer a question. Task 1. Emergence is closest in meaning to development. Demoting is closest in meaning to degrading. Overwhelming is closest in meaning to vast. Task 2. Answering question. Question 1. According to the passage, English is essential in world trade, diplomacy, science, technology, and scholarship. Question 2. The text states that English is the foremost diplomatic language and the dominant world lingua franca of scholarship. Question 3. The expanding cycle refers to countries that have adopted English as their international language for trade and scholarship, even though English has no historical or governmental role there. Question 4. In inner cycle, the inner cycle includes countries where English is the mother tongue for the majority of the population, such as USA.